Hi, today we are here in the heart of Elviria, surrounded by nature. You'll be here a couple of minutes driving from the town of Elviria, where you'll find all kinds of businesses like restaurants, bars, supermarket and so on. You will be also a couple of minutes driving from the seashore, where you have the exclusive club Nick's Beach, where you can enjoy all kinds of activities, and you'll be also surrounded by all the different golf courses that the area of Elviria has to offer you. Right now, we are in Urbanizaciones Jardines de Santa María, a private gated urbanization with 24-hour security. As you can see all around you, you have a lot of different gardens with a lot of plants, a little bit tropical to give you very relaxing atmosphere. You will also have 4 different swimming pools all around this urbanization. So, as you can see, it's a perfect spot to really disconnect from your daily routine, to come here and enjoy all what Costa del Sol has to offer you. Now, come with me and let me introduce you to the property we have.